Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to edit mobile websites on Wix in 2024. So today we're diving into the mobile editing capabilities of Wix, ensuring your website looks fantastic on every device. With the increased use of smartphones and tablets, optimizing your website for mobile is essential for providing seamless user experience. So in this tutorial, we'll explore how to edit your website specifically for mobile devices using Wix in 2024. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use Brave. For you can use whatever you want. Of course, if you want, there's an option to download the Wix app and start editing from there. You will be able to do it if it suits you. Make sure to do it. So for me here, I'll just go and open the browser. As I said, I'm using Brave. For you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, your browser, go to the URL section, type wix.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, if you're logged into your account, you'll find yourself here with all the sites that you have. If it's your first time, you'll basically find yourself on this page instead. And here you'll find the login option at the top right corner. So if you have an account, click on it. And make sure to log in into your account. You can use Google, Facebook, or Apple if you don't want to fill up your information manually. And sign up, you'll be able to use Google and Facebook, of course, if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. Once you logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here on the dashboard, basically. And here you'll find your sites. So, of course, we'll just go as an example and edit one of the sites that I have here. Of course, you can, for you, go and create a new site. You can create from blank as an example. You can use the templates that's already, they have its own, the studio of Wix. You can use, of course, the Wix editor to start editing on something, or you can use your own templates if you have one of your own as an example. So for me here, I'll just go and open a random site, which is this one's example. I'll just go and click on edit site. So let me just wait for the page until it loads of it. So I don't want that. Okay, I'll just click here on edit sites. And yeah, I should be like in the Wix editor right away. Of course, you can use the Wix Studio. It's kind of like the same. You basically have to go to any other sites and basically just click on edit sites and you'll be able to edit it with the Wix editor. So as you can see, so this is Wix editor and they have like the Wix Studio. So let me just show you as an example. This is made with Wix Studio. So I'll just go here and click on edit site to show you what's the difference between Wix Studio and Wix editor. It's kind of the same, but it has like some small differences that you'll be able to notice as an example. So let's just wait for the page until it loads. So basically, if you're using either Wix Editor or the Wix Studio, if you want to start editing mobile websites, all you need to do instead of clicking on desktop here, click on edit your site for mobile. Once you click on it, as you can see, this site or your site will change into a mobile form already, and you'll be able to start editing your website. The same will be for Wix Editor, as example, Wix Studio, as you can see. So that's the only kind of difference. So it has maybe more features with if you wanted to add some code and etc. With the Wix like Studio, it has some AI. It has some AI tools also, but it's kind of the same like Wix Editor. So you can use whatever suits you, whatever you're familiarized with. Of course, for me, I prefer the Wix Studio a bit more, but of course, it's all up to you in the end. So as I said, of course, here in Wix Studio also, all you need to do is simply go here and click on mobile as an example, and you'll be able to start editing your website for mobile. So I'll show you both here how to do it. So as an example, we'll be able now to start like editing however we want. Let's say, example, I didn't like this picture, so I'll just go here and delete it. And of course, I can see like the pages. I can delete some pages. I can, as example, if I don't like the frequently asked pages or yeah, I don't like it as example, I'll just go and click on hide on mobile specifically. Or as example, I'll be able to change the page background of that and etc. Other than that, as you can see, I'll be able to edit like the backgrounds of everything that I have. Here, I'll be able to find some mobile tools like quick action bar. Back to the top bottom as example, I'll be able to add this option. So if people click on that, of course, you'll be able to change the icon of it. So, for example, I'll just make it top or I don't know, let's just or do this as an example. So if people click on it, what they'll be taken to the top of the page right away. Of course, if they are at the bottom, so if they click on it, they will be taken to the top. Of course, if you click on it now, it will not work until you preview. And other than that, on mobile tools, as you can see, you can add welcome screen, a browser theme color. Here, you'll be able to add something or hide something in mobile specifically and make it visible for like desktop users. And here, of course, you'll be able to add some things like text, images, buttons, decoratives, some boxes, some social media as example, or even some embedded code. You'll be able to add all of that. Of course, for you, make sure to customize or personalize your mobile website now until it suits your needs. I don't know what exactly do you want to add, etc. And once you finish, of course, optimizing your on customizing and optimizing your content for your mobile, it's time to test it. As an example, basically just go to the top right corner and click on preview right here. Once you click on preview, as you can see, they already like take you like on our mobile. So all you need to do is simply now check this stuff if they are working. As example, I'll just check this option if back to top if it's working. So I'll just go and click on it. As you can see, it take me to the top. I'll click here. I'll go to home screen as example. And as example, of course, here I am in the home screen. Of course, as you can see, the picture here does not look good on the phone. If we go here to the desktop as an example, so let me just go and click on switch to desktop. Of course, it can take some time, no problem. So as you can see, like the picture looks much better here, or the background looks much better. So try as an example to go back to editor and try to change that as an example, or even hide this background. As an example, I'll just go here and try for this background as an example to hide it, or even remove it for phone specifically as an example until it's be specified for mobile. So just fix everything for mobile so mobile users will be satisfied, because as we said before, a lot of people now are using their mobile for everything. So if it is everything is working as intended, you can just go here at the top right corner and publish your sites right away. Of course, you'll be able to publish it on the free domain that they give you, which is this one. Or you can simply connect your own domain name that you have, if you have it, or simply buy one from Wix and you'll be able to use it to publish your websites in, especially if you're looking for a lot of engagement. Of course, the same is going to be for like Wix Studio here. You'll be able to edit everything for your phone. As example, let's say I want to delete this example. But as you can see here, when you remove something from the phone, it's not like the Wix editor. Here, they will remove from all device sizes. So keep that in mind in this Wix Studio, not like the Wix editor. So for more like customizing, maybe Wix editor, of course, for other devices, maybe Wix editor will be much better for you. Then once you finish, click on publish again here. Of course, you'll be able to preview also here. And yeah, so that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.